Yo man, what's up? It's a boy still on Follow Trades. Back at it again. Friday, the 1st of August. It's crazy. We back at it again. Back at it again to fishing, bro. We right on time. Market has not yet opened, but we are about to open in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. We in 3:30 South African time. That's what it is, man. Market just opened. We out here came to fish for our setup. Where are we opening though? Where is price right now? I don't see. We open below, so we have our first candle open here. When I look at this, we have a pre-market low here that I wanna see price ran, so we can push up. And again, we have a pre-market high that I would wanna see price go to after running this low, but now it seems like price is pushing right away upwards. I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see. So what I like to do is I like to read price on trading view, because on these they tend to manipulate price, so I like to read price here and get my setup. Yeah. By the way, today is Friday. I didn't know if didn't actually check if we do have the news today, but I don't think so. Friday, oh, we do. ISM manufacturing PMI at 4 p.m. South African time. I have to mention that, South African time, 4 p.m. and it's red, which means it's high impact expected. So I'll keep that in mind up until 4 p.m. This is exactly what I wanted to see. I'm sure we've taken the pre-market low. Exactly what I want to see. Trading lower, getting back inside this candle. I'ma go in. We might be manipulated, but why? Simply because we have run the low. You gotta be careful on how much you're risking, because we are left with 2% on this account. We are left with 2%. We don't wanna breach it, bro. We don't wanna blow it. So we basically down 8% on the account. Exactly what I wanna see. Rejections, but we don't get in yet. We need to see our setup. The low of this candle is 886.56. At lows of this is 887. Do we have a fair value gap between these candles? What's the low of this? Comes in at 912.58. What's the high? 908.18. 908.912. Yeah, I would say we do have a fair value gap there. Closing above it, we will be closing back above this pre-market low. and getting back inside here, I'll be taking a buy targeting this high. I'm sure, let me just so you can see, I'll be targeting this high, getting back inside this. But if you drop without me, it's alright. The fact that we traded lower of this candle and close back above, I'm gonna get back in, but I'm gonna get in on buys here and keep my stop below this candle. Why? Already our bias is bullish, right? My bias is bull, and I'm getting a candle that's violating a low and closing above. That's my bias. Oh, price is heavy, bro. Taking a loss here would it will be us blowing the account. Price is heavy, but I'm in already. So yep, I guess we're risking the whole account then. We just have to wait and see. And just like that, boom, we have breached the account, bro. We have breached the account. We traded lower than, crazy. We've breached the account, the 10K equity edge account. We've reached the 10% drawdown account breached. I'm sure of it. So I got in on this bull, had a bullish bias, targeting the high of this gap, but price just open here and drop. Wow, what a big L, bro. It's just up to on how you take it, a loss or a lesson. It's a lesson. We're gonna come back again, man. Gonna come back again. It's a lesson. That's a big L for us today, the 1st of August 2025. Blown the account. Crazy. See you on the next one, though. It's a boy Salon. Follow trades. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment, man. Am I the only one blown today? Leave a comment in the comment section. See you on the next one. Peace.